All right, it's been a few days, and I did manage to find myself a set of headers. These ones are exactly the same as the old ones, except for they're ceramic coated. So probably not the wisest move on my part, but the idea being I can slap these in. I don't have to change anything. It'll just bolt up to my exhaust pipes, everything. So I can hit those couple of races in that car show. And then when I do buy a better set of headers, these ceramic coated ones will end up on the Biscayne, and I'll upgrade the 40 and modify the exhaust again, make that all work properly. So temporary solution, but it should work better than what I had on there anyway. So I'll get to wrapping them and put them on the truck. Yeah, so these are the headers. As you can see, they're the exact same ones that broke on the last go around, but like I said, ceramic coated, so hopefully that'll help deal with the heat. Unfortunately, I do have to wrap them just because that engine bay is so tight, and everything melts if I don't have heat wrap on it. So I've got to wrap them. I got some of that there, and obviously some new gaskets, so I'll get that done and we can get them thrown on the truck. All right, well, try not to judge my header wrapping abilities too harshly, but I think what I did last time is I wrapped these two inner tubes from about here up, because that's all you can get, and then kind of went around both here on the base and split off to the outside tubes, and then just ran a shorter piece around the collector, and then clamps at each tube and the base of the collector. So I think that's what I'm going to do again. Seemed to work last time, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, well, I'm not overly happy with the end result. That looks awful. Same thing on the bottom of the collector there, but I can't remember how I did that. I kind of got it to stick anyway, so we're gonna roll with that. It'll work anyway. It'll function, do what it's supposed to. So now I just got to clean up the gaskets off the engine and install these things. Well, that's looking good. I've got the passenger side already tucked in there. Have to torque it yet and hook up the collector, but it's there. So yeah, just gotta put this in and we'll be back in business. Well, I had company over yesterday, so I never filmed the process, but got the headers in there. Everything's all sealed up now. Sounds good, nice and quiet, or at least as quiet as this truck gets. So yeah, we're back in business. All right, so I've got a couple more events coming up here this month. Got the drag races, there's the airport drags here coming up, and I got another event at SIR I want to get to. There's a car show and a drag race there, bracket race, and then the 1st of September, I believe, there's a car show in Moose Jaw I would like to make it to as well. So hopefully I can hit all those events. Guess we'll see. And then if I don't break the truck, I got to get after this Biscayne, because that is my next goal. I want to get this car done so that potentially I can take it to miles next year. Not as a racer, but as a follower, a carpooler, if you will. I think that's the goal. Just tag along, hang out, film, BS. But we'll see. That's a calendar year away, so lots can change. Once I get this Biscayne out of the way, we're going to get hard after the Mustang, because I want to go fast, and the 40 is kind of at its limit. So that's the plan.